Hey there, coffee lovers. Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com. Today we're here unboxing some new Majesty Coffee exclusives. From EtzMAX, we have the EtzMAX Plus W and the EtzMAX Filter W grinders. Let's get started. Alright, so starting with the Filter W, let's get started. Alright, so first thing out of the box, we have your beautifully printed quick start guide from EtzMAX. We have this awesome, very large, durable brush to clean out your grinder. We've got your dosing cup here, our first piece of the grinder. Next we have your 2-pound hopper here. Next up we have your weight calibration for the built-in Acaia scale technology, really cool. We have one more smaller brush for cleaning, which does say EtzMAX on it. This one's really nice. And then I'm just gonna set this box on the ground and lift the body of the grinder up. All right, so here's that awesome body of the grinder. This is the EtzMAX Filter W grinder from EtzMAX. Let's actually just put this to the side and begin unboxing our Plus W model as well. All right, so let's get going with that Plus model here. Once again, very well packed in here. I'm just gonna expedite this process and then we'll show you what they look like out on the countertop together. All right, so here we have the bodies of the Filter and the Plus W out here in black and white. Let's go ahead and put these together and show you what they look like. All right, so here are those two grinders out for you. We have the Filter W, which is a weight-based filter grinder for commercial use or just heavy-duty usage. We also have the Plus W, which is going to be an espresso model. Let's just start out by saying, wow, these machines are super sleek. They look really nice. They feel very premium. The materials used make it feel like it's a very nice experience, and we're going to have a really good time grinding with these grinders. So included in each of those boxes is going to be your quick start guide we have for the Filter and for the espresso model. You're going to want to look through this and make sure you follow all of the steps before going for your first use. So we touched upon it briefly while opening these, but let's talk about these accessories. You get this really nice cleaning brush here. So this brush is really nice because you'll be able to clean right through that grinding chamber and get all of your grounds out without having to take your whole machine apart. For this one, we've got a nice one just to brush the bottom of your grinder. Really appreciate that. Both of those have the nice EtzMAX logo on them. Another nice feature included with both of your grinders is going to be those 500-gram dosing weight calibrations included for the Acaia scales that are built in. You're going to want to use these to ensure that you always get an accurate reading from your scale, even though these scales do have a really smart technology in them, which recalibrates up to 100 times a second, which ensures you always get the right weight out. With your Filter model, included is this really nice EtzMAX dosing cup, which is a really large capacity, allowing you to grind all sorts of amounts of coffee into this. The size of this is perfect because it sits right below your chute here, and make sure that none of your grounds go flying out of the side. Also included in that accessories package was going to be our base here that you actually attach to your Acaia scale, and this will ensure that you still get to use that weight functionality, but you have something to set your dosing cup on top of. And once again, we have that really nice 2.2-pound hopper, though we also have a 0.5 hopper option available for you. So that's the Filter W. Moving on to the Plus W model of the EtzMAX grinder. This is going to be your espresso based grinder. Included with this one, we also have the brushes and the calibration weight. That's really nice for making sure you receive an accurate dose out every time. With this one, we also have the really cool portafilter holder. So this portafilter holder is really cool because you can adjust it to make sure that your portafilter fits and allows for hand-free grinding. But also we have this nice attachment here that allows you to attach it to your load cell. So you can still have the weight-based functionality and have this hands-free grinding experience, a really cool feature. And with this Plus model, we opted for the white finish, which looks really nice on your countertop. So let's briefly briefly go over these grinders, though we will have a full review on both of them coming out very soon, so stay tuned for those. So these are your commercial grinders from Etzinger. One is going to be based more for filter use and the other is for espresso use. Both of these grinders are going to be 32mm conical steel burr grinders with a revolutionary rotating ring burr design that allows for maximum efficiency and very near low retention. The other very prominent feature of these two grinders is going to be that they are grind by weight, which means you get that Acaia technology of having a smart scale built in. That scale is going to recalibrate itself up to 100 times a second to ensure maximum accuracy. In addition to that, these grinders are quite revolutionary because you can easily take them apart for cleanings. After removing the hopper and the lower burr, you can simply clean out that grind chamber with the included brushes. So the footprint of these two grinders is going to be about 27 pounds each. You've got about 7 inches wide, about 11 inches deep, and 21 inches tall here. With these zinc die cast and aluminum materials, they feel very premium and will last a really long time. Both of these grinders will run on your standard 120 volt outlet. These grinders are backed by 1-year parts and labor warranty, as well as phone support should you encounter any problems. They're also very easy to service yourself, as they're very easy to take apart. The other major benefit of these conical burr grinders is they can grind around 3 to 5 grams per second, which is extremely fast. This is going to be perfect for rush hour at your cafe or restaurant, etc. So we'll go more in depth about both of these grinders in our follow-up reviews. Recapping these real quick, this would be perfect for anyone seeking a lower retention, very quick grinder with grind by weight technology. Alright, so that's all we have time for today. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing of these EtzMAX grinders from Etzinger. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up, comment any questions you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll have those reviews coming out very soon, so before then, head to our website to check out these grinders and many more really cool espresso machines, grinders, and other equipment. If you have any questions, our friendly customer support is standing by via live chat or phone to help you out. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.